Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is a long overdue video for the JanesAgenda Deluxe subscription box for the month of October. So if you're interested in seeing everything that came in the box, definitely go ahead and keep on watching. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So on top of me being a full-time employee, wife, mom, all the hats that I wear, of course, I am now also a kind of like a homeschool teacher, if that makes sense. So I am struggling with figuring out the routine for YouTube, how that fits into everything. So with that being said, my videos will not be consistent. They haven't really been consistent since a little before I had my daughter. I was getting on a decent roll with the past few months with like uploading somewhat consistently, and then the wheels just fell off once school started. So let me know in the comments below if you also are kind of struggling to find your routine and figure out how things work when it comes down to homeschooling. So let's go ahead and jump on into everything. I have unboxed and opened everything up, so I pretty much tried to get ahead of that in this video. There's only, I think, one thing I did not open, and that's because it's not something that I need to use right at this very moment. And let's zoom you guys in. So this is the card. So it's got, dear subscriber, October's box gently ushers you into the cozy season with a warm palette of pale beige, burnt orange, and Dijon mustard. Inside you'll find beautifully crafted cardstocks with sweater patterns, pumpkins, and peaceful frostings, along with a beginner-friendly fountain pen and a leather pen pouch and a saddle stitch graph notebook to inspire creativity. So I'm going to stop there, but you can always pause the video if you would like to pretty much read everything. And then on the back is the card that shows everything that comes within. So I don't have everything in order, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first thing here, which is none other than the fountain pen. So this fountain pen, it did come with ink. I think she said that it is a fine, I want to say, I don't think it's super fine. It could be super fine, but I'm not really sure. This is the nib on a fountain pen, or pretty much any pen. The tip of the pen is considered the nib. So it does twist to open, and then you can fill it. I think this is called the piston. Don't have me lying, y'all. But this is how you fill it. You draw this little piece back here and you fill it, which I really actually do like that feature when it comes down to a fountain pen, because most of all of mine I have to twist the barrel, because I have like the Twisby looking ones, and I'm gonna get me a Twisby at some point because I want to get rid of all of my other ones. I really love the look of Twisbys, but that's for another video. If y'all ever want to talk about fountain pens or see me fill this fountain pen, let me know in the comments below, or by giving your girl a thumbs up for the video. So it's just a black barrel, which it does have a textured grip, which is going to easily help you hold your fountain pen, especially if you're new to fountain pens. And on top of that, it's not super heavy, which I do like. I do tend to lean more towards like the plastic body style fountain pens, and that is mainly because I don't like a really heavy weighted pen. But fountain pens is something that's kind of like trial and error. You kind of have to test them out to see what you like. So next up is none other than the pencil pouch. So this pencil pouch is in the name. She calls it chocolate. It's in the Saffiano texture, which is this cross stitch texture. And if you guys don't know, I absolutely love Saffiano texture. It does have this gold zipper, which I think complements that brown. It did come with a styrofoam structure on the inside, and it is, she said she designed it, I should say, so it lays pretty flat in your bag or whatever you're using to carry it in. I typically find different uses for pretty much all the things that come in my subscription boxes for JanesAgenda. So next up is the holiday meal planning pack, and the meal planning pack is something I'm not going to open because I do not have use for this right now, mainly because this pack, it gives you like your dish, start time, prep time, cook time, ready time, special notes, etc. She does have a video on her channel, which I will link below in the description box if you want to take a look, and you can definitely see what the pack actually looks like. But again, I'm not opening it because I don't have any use for it right at this very moment. Next up is the saddle stitch notebook, which I absolutely love because number one, it's graph. Let's just Like, I love graph paper. That's just my thing. And then of course the stitch matches the color of the notebook. So let's jump into the accessory pack. So in the accessory pack, we did get the Dijon page flags. We also got the cardstock. So it just has Boo and chapter 10, you know, for the 10th month. And then it's got Autumn on that little velvety feeling card that I absolutely love the texture of. And the word Autumn is in different languages. And then we got this pumpkin cardstock, which has a QR code on the back. And if you scan it, you will get a screensaver for your phone or for your computer or your tablet that matches the theme of the box. Then we got our page divider, which is this leaf theme. Hopefully you guys, I'm gonna kind of hold it off to the side a little bit so you can see how it layers. So I really like that they did it slightly transparent, so it does really layer really nicely. I try not to put that in the light because it has a little glare, but hopefully you can see that there. Then we have the vellum, and this vellum is not black, it's a chocolate color. It's in the stillness of autumn, find the courage to grow, which I really do like that. And I like the fact that she went with chocolate and not brown for this set. And last but certainly not least, let's jump into the cardstocks and the covers. So the cardstocks are this beautiful pumpkin kind of cardstock. You got this fall inspired scene or cityscape, this cocoa or even cappuccino or coffee with the pine cones and the leaves. It looks like it's wrapped up in like a scarf of some sort. Then you have the picture of a person looking down at the leaves, and I'm saying person, I know it's a woman just based on the outfit, but it's a really, really nice picture nonetheless. And this one I think is my ultimate favorite one, which is kind of like that cozy coffee in the windowsill moment with a good book. And lastly are the covers, and oh my gosh, y'all, now that I've gotten my November box, which I want to make mention of that, I got my November box along with my pre-release order this week, so that video is going to be filmed right after this one. So I probably will go ahead and get the October, November stuff out of the way. If you guys want to see like the other months, let me know and I'll go ahead and upload those, because I have filmed every single one of them along with some other videos. So I'll probably have enough videos to upload every single week. The problem is finding the time to edit them, because y'all know life is lifing. But anyway, this is kind of like the baby's breath, but it's that beigey looking baby's breath. It's really, really nice. It's a gorgeous box, and I think anyone who gets this box and is lucky and fortunate enough to pick it up is going to love it because of the neutral color scheme that it has. I really think a lot of people will like that about the box. So hopefully you enjoyed everything in this box, and I think it's available now for you to be able to purchase some of the stuff on her website. Again, I'll link it below if you are interested in it. So without further ado, my daughter is joining me so that we can say bye. But as always, be safe in the streets, be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye. You hope when you do homework.
Yes.
In class.
If you're in class and have homework, she hopes you do your homework and stay in class. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.